Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. Hello there, guys. It's me again, Master Crafter MCPE here, and we've made a new series. Yes, and I've been preparing for a while. I've been preparing some stuff. I've been just digging this from here, and also this. You have no idea why I have so many wooden pickaxes. That's just some spare. Anyway, guess who I am? Do you know that guy? I do. Guess who that guy is? Anyway, here I am. My plains I've been hunting down for a while. I'd rather call this preparation day, but it's more like preparation day and mining for iron and other ores. You know what? I'm gonna call this episode preparation and mining. I'm not gonna wander too far. What? Okay, this is not a cave. This is not a cave. Wait, guys. Okay, now this is exactly why I packed sand. Boy. There you go. That is nothing. Oh yeah, I almost forgot you could do this. Okay. None of that was useful, but I'll still call this preparation day. Hello, Wilbur. Yeah. Oi, Wilbur. Oh. You know what? A cow is better. Critical hit. Critical hit. Okay, not bad. Critical hit. Okay, just give me experience. Not that good, but I'll accept it. Okay then. Is there anything to do or something? Yeah. I'm just gonna kill you for XP though. You can't see me, 'cause I'm John Cena! Okay, good escape route. Too bad I can't get that. Anyway, I am going to die from my hunger, so it's best to eat. I'm just gonna eat one piece of pork chop to keep me alive for a while. There we go. That's enough, I guess. Hurry up. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Do I have any spare cobble? I think I have some in my chest. Yes, I do. I have spare cobble. I'm gonna make... Okay, what can I craft with this stone? No, I don't need those. But what can I craft? What is it? No, I don't need that. I need to craft a furnace. Yes. Using nowhere. Okay. Guess that's good. so that's why I never got it. Touche, touche. Very touche. Okay. Then that, let me eat this. There we go. That's good. I'm gonna need this. And here we go. I am set now. Ow. You have to heal while trying to hunt for mobs that will give me more food. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat chicken. I don't like chicken. Well, I do in real life, but not here in Minecraft. I should probably walk because I like to sprint. Anyway, jump! That worked! Okay. Okay. I failed. Yes, I failed. Okay, then. I have no idea how much minutes I've done already, but anyway. Thank you. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Good night. Hurry up, turn to night. The spider's gonna get me. Turn to night. Oh, okay. Good night, guys, and I guess that ends our video for today. Preparation day. And okay. I hope you like this, and please subscribe. That will help me a lot. Thanks, and bye.